medical student from Wayne State.
Yay! All right.
Here to ask about, you talked about drug prices.
Yeah.
I'm also concerned about drug prices on behalf of my patients,
Yes.
probably on behalf of pretty much everyone in this room.
Yeah.
And I believe that the only way to really lower drug prices is to take profit out of our health insurance,
Right.
our healthcare industry completely. And I'm here to ask you, when are you going to sign on to Senator Sanders' bill?
Sure. Well,
A
actually,
lot of people
I
in this room are probably big supporters of single payer.
and I
Yes.
appreciate that very much. Very much. Yeah. Oh, go ahead.
And as part of a winning strategy for 2018, they've convinced that this is the platform that people want to hear, and this is the platform that will get people to the polls to vote for you.
Right.
I appreciate that very much, and I am very supportive of, continuing to add more health care. I have to tell you that bill I'm not going to sign on to because the way it's written, it undermines. It says within 5 years, all private insurance would go away. We have an awful lot of people in Michigan with private insurance. Many of them have negotiated that for years, given up pay raises to get good insurance.
How much is here for their private insurance?
Keeps
5
going
years,
up.
Well, I
How
guess
much is everyone paying for other monthly premiums with their private insurance? Is anyone here happy with their private health insurance?
No.
I have a lot of folks I'd be happy to have you talk to that are part of the Democratic Coalition that actually would answer that differently. This is something we've got to work on together.
That's the problem.
Well, this is what I went back to on healthcare, because we have several ways. I support as a way to flush out the issues, making Medicare a public option. That would be a way to be able to focus.
I don't think there should be insurance that's different for poor people.
I don't either. I spent my whole life in them.
All we covered by the same kind of insurance.
I love you.
All deserve the same kind of excellent insurance.
Yes. Woo!
I appreciate your passion and I agree with you. The issue is how do we get there? That is the issue. This bill that just ends everything in 5 years is going to actually be a problem for a lot of folks because it's not fleshed out on how it would even work.
Are your
And so
donors?
that particular bill is what we call a message bill based on, it's a values bill, which I appreciate. It's about an idea and a value, and I appreciate that. For me, putting my name on something that is not yet flushed out on the details that will have some effects that are not good for some people in Michigan, it's just not what I want to do. So what I'm
concerned about, that bill was written by excellent organization, Physicians for a National Health Program.
I appreciate that.
Policy experts.
I appreciate that.
Tell me which parts of that bill.
I'd be happy to sit down with you. It ends private insurance, first of all, in 5 years. It's not clear that we would be in a position to do that within 5 years. Many experts have said this is a 10-year process. This is going to take some transition, or I'm not sure. But I believe one of the best ways to begin that process, I have a bill that would allow people to buy in to Medicare at 55 as one step. I have that bill. I've introduced it. I'm also supporting and co-sponsoring the bill that would make Medicare a public option so people could choose and you could have a transition and you could work out how everything works. So I'm not disagreeing with the aspirational goal. I'm saying that this particular bill does it in a way that I think ultimately won't work.